Hi guys, so I'm back with another vlog. I'm doing this because I decided to create an online version of my game. I did a couple of playtests and I thought it would be easier for people to playtest with me if I made an online version. So I found a tabletop simulator through a Discord channel that I joined recently for the purposes of playtesting. And so I decided to use their website, and this is my video of how I created my online game on this particular website. So this website is called ScreenTopGG. Um, my game itself is for 2 to 6 players, and I already created a version before on here that was a little that didn't work as well. Like I was going for playtests and it didn't work very well because the score discrepancies was very high. So after doing that, I took it offline to playtest with my friends for a little bit. But now I'm back online because I want to playtest with more of my friends as well as myself, because I thought it'd be easier to play with play online if I was playtesting by myself. So this is the interface of ScreenTopGG. There, I can't really explain it very well because it's one of my first time. Like it's quite new to me. But basically, there's assets and then there's components. You need to create your assets to create your components, because the assets describe the surfaces of your components, and then you can move those components around on and actually interact with it in the online version. So I won't go into explaining the rules of my game here because I'm still changing it as we speak. I'm still formatting it. I'm still making up some rules. But I think I've got all my tokens and all my elements of my game ready. It's just about updating the cards and playtesting whether the cards work. So this is my attempt to update the cards. I've cloned it a couple of times. So I tried cloning the cards to actually create, so I wouldn't have to manually connect the asset to the component or component to the asset. But I was quite confused here. As you can see, I'm just trying really hard to actually connect everything, and I had decided that I realized I was going through it one by one, which wasn't ideal, and it was very tiring, very, very fast. So I discovered the code element of the actual interface, the actual website, and I tried using it, but I realized all the components of my all the assets I was trying to upload wasn't all in one page. So here in um this particular website, you need to upload the image, like all the cards as one image, and then split them through the website. This makes it easier to upload it all at once, but at the same time, because you have to figure, like I didn't figure out this mechanism until quite late. So this is me trying to go through it, trying to split it correctly, trying to edit the actual code. And I didn't realize here that I wasn't actually editing the code. I was just selecting it and looking at it. But regardless, I end up working through this. So this is kind of all the mistakes I made on this particular platform. I hope you don't go through the same mistakes I did. Yeah, so I kind of want to skip through this. Let me skip through this. So this is me going through the code, looking at how it works, and I decided the easiest way was to split up the deck, um, and kind of upload it like that, and updating it one by, like, not updating it one by one, but updating it for the colors of the deck. um, but I quickly realized, well, I didn't quickly realize, I slowly realized that this wasn't going to work at the very very end. So if you skip through this, actually let me show you how I did it a little bit. So that was the code. It's on the website of how to code. Yeah, skipping through this. Oh, this is me updating some of the other assets, some of the other components to the game. This is me trying to make sure it cuts properly. So this, you can see that I didn't specify how it's supposed to be cut, and so it looks wonky here. So I changed it later, and it's still a little bit wonky. The cards aren't perfectly done, but at least it looks a lot better. So yeah, I decided not to do it back because it was just completely like wonky, so I didn't do it. Let me go through here. This is me adding a playmat in. This is me trying to resize, and this is me trying to figure out what size to lay out. And yeah, so I'll let you watch the full video, but this is just kind of a short summary of what I did and what I did wrong. Hope this is helpful for anyone who is working with Screentop GEG. And if you wanted to try the game, I'll put down the link below, and I will upload the current set of rules, the current version of rules. I'm doing version control, so it's easier. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you.